Okay, are you struggling with script writing, content ideas, or just generally where to start in content creation? Well, I want to just talk through a few things that I've learned in my time in creating content that I think could dramatically benefit you and save you lots of time. I want to start by talking about how can we write scripts. And first off, before we start writing scripts, we need to know, what are we going to be writing our scripts about? So that leads me to my first thing. So we're going to go to alsoask.com. This is a website that you can search. You can search any topic you want, any question that you want, and it is going to give you the most commonly asked questions and a bunch of other questions branching off from this. So it says we get 3 credits for free. So select where you're located. So we're going US here. And let's say we wanted to ask a question about, what should we ask a question about? Logo design. Okay, so we're going to do a live search, and if you can ask a question, that's great. If you want to just search it on a topic, that's great too. So it's going to propagate a bunch of different questions. Now, every inquiry deeper you go, I think it uses credits, so that's the only pitfall of this. But it'll get here in a second. But as it's loading, what I just want to say, what we're going to do is we are going to find a list, and we are going to be building out a spreadsheet. We're going to be building out a spreadsheet with topic ideas. Therefore, you always have something to go back to. And stick around, because later in the video, I'm going to give you a couple ChatGPT prompts that are essential for script writing. And I have crafted this ChatGPT prompt in the same way of some popular creators that I've seen in how they write their scripts and how to keep attention. So stick around. But okay, it looks like it loaded. So logo design, it's going to say is $500 too much, but for logo design, so then all of these questions are going to branch off about logo design and how much it should cost. You could go into pros and cons of cheap or expensive logos. Down here, golden rule for logos. So we got different types of logos, legal requirements for logos. So basically you're just going to see, it gives you a massive list of questions, right, about logos and logo design. So what I would do is you download the PNG, and it'll populate, and then it'll populate. And what we'll do is, let's say you only like the questions about the golden rule for logos. We're going to copy these, and we are going to, actually, before we go over, you can also, if you liked the one for the golden rule, you can click on that and you can go even deeper and have that be the main question. So if you can niche down right away, it's going to save you a lot of time. And like I said, each one costs a credit, so you only get 3 a day. But we're going to create a Google Sheet. So I'm going to pull over a blank spreadsheet. Okay, here we go, blank spreadsheet. And we are just going to name this topics. Topics. All right, and then we are going to paste in. We're going to paste in all of our topics, right? And then from there, what we can do is we can go to ChatGPT and we can use it for script writing. If we know, let's say, I should have picked it on a subject I know, so this is a little bit harder, but let's say, what are the 3 rules for a good logo design? So if we go over to ChatGPT, we'll see what ChatGPT has to say about the 3 rules for logo design. Okay. So let's ask ChatGPT, what are the 3 rules for logo design? Simplicity, memorability, versatility. Okay. So this is going to help with our ChatGPT prompt. Now, prompts are great, but the more direction you can give ChatGPT, the better. It can't read your mind. You're going to be doing far more renditions later on, telling it, no, no, no. Tell it what you want right away, okay? So we're going to copy this, the 3 fundamental rules for logo design. Okay, so what this prompt is going to help you do is it is going to help you write a script. I need a short form video script following the exact format: hook, twist a knife, create a solution gap, engagement / call to action. The scripts should be engaging, concise, 50 to 90 seconds, drive action. Use the example as referenced below. Here's the example format. Hook, grab attention, a bold or intriguing statement that stops the scroll. Twist the knife, related to their pain, a short statement that connects with the audience's first frustration or struggle. Solution gap, provide the answer, the key insight, tool, or mindset shift that solves their problem. Now, using this format, write a video script about insert topic here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in what we just did above. So I'm going to paste that in as the topic, and then we are going to see the script that it gives us. Hook, your logo is not your brand, but a bad one can destroy it. So there's the hook. Twist the knife. If your logo is too complicated, forgettable, or doesn't work in different formats, people won't take your brand seriously. It'll make you look like an amateur, and worse, people won't remember you. And then you can see the rest of the script there. You can make it longer, you can ask it to expand, you could ask it to shorten it. What we can do is we can go through with each one of these questions, with each one of these questions that we've asked, and we can write out scripts. Now, if we wanted to, we could even go into ChatGPT and say, now add ideas for a visual hook and different camera shots. You know, if you want to get more than just a sitting in front of the camera type video. Now it's going to give me visual hooks and a camera shot, just a bunch of different ideas. You can tweak it, you can work with it as you go, but I think that this prompt is going to help you a lot to figure out different subjects to write videos about. Like I said, build these out, create your spreadsheet, add the camera shots, add a column for views, likes, comments, so we can track the metrics so we know which videos are performing. And when something starts to perform good, run with it. Create things that are similar to that content. So if you want the ChatGPT prompt that I used, I will put it in the caption. But otherwise, this is day 12. I'm going to start making some more videos about how to create in ways that I've learned from creators, because I'm still learning myself. I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert in all of these subjects. I know a lot, but I have a lot of room to grow. So I'm just going to keep sharing with you. I appreciate you. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.